on today's episode of What Did Delia Do?
I sailed and trekked over to Rock Hall on Sunday, so exactly a week ago, and I pulled into Haven Harbor Marina, ended up staying there for 4 nights, and it was awesome. I just had a great time. I think Haven Harbor Marina was awesome. Definitely made my trip.
Here is a recap of August 3rd, Thursday, 2017, of living aboard here on Second Wind. Left Rock Hall, actually had no problems leaving the slip. Boop, boop. Got out, got my main sheet up, got the jib out, which was awesome. Was sailing and was like, you know what, cut the motor. Was doing fine, going about less than a knot. If you don't know what a knot is, it's not a lot. A little rhyme there. But so going around my day, it was fine. Ended up motor sailing a bit, so put the motor back on. Then going about my day and tacking, or I don't even know what happened. All of a sudden I hear a huge kerplop. I was like, oh, that's never good. And it was my little winch handle, the thing you put in to the winch to crank so you have more leverage. Yes, well, you learn something new every day, and those things sink like a bag of rocks. I don't know why you'd have a bag of rocks aboard a boat, but if you did, that's exactly what it would do if you threw it overboard. Boom, right to the bottom. Don't tell my boss. Luckily, I have a second one, so that's okay, but I'm gonna need to replace that. That happened, got over it, going through my day, sailing up to anchor out here, Morton Creek for the night, and all of a sudden, boink! There goes my dinghy. I don't know how it happened, or why it just totally untied itself, and I'm just sailing away or motoring away, and there's my dinghy. I honestly kind of laughed. It was funny. It was no problem. Got my boat hook, went around. It was kind of like practicing for going for a mooring ball, and grabbed the dinghy up, but what can I say? Never a dull day sailing aboard Second Wind.